In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compare fractals in TradingView. By the end, you'll have the fractals indicator on your chart, and you'll be able to overlay other instruments so you can confidently compare fractal patterns across symbols and time frames. First, open TradingView. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. Wait for the platform to load fully so all toolbar buttons are available. Keep the default layout. We'll work directly from the main chart area. Next, open your chart. If a chart is already visible, use that. If not, click into the symbol box at the top of the screen, type the instrument you want to analyze, and press Enter to load its chart. Make sure you're on the time frame you plan to review so the fractal markers will match what you want to compare later. Now click Indicators at the top of the chart. In the search field, type Fractals. From the results, select the built-in Fractals indicator to add it to the chart. As soon as you add it, you'll see small markers above and below price bars. These mark recent swing highs and swing lows and are commonly called Bill Williams fractals. If the markers look faint, then that's normal. They're intentionally unobtrusive. You don't need to change any settings here. Just confirm that the fractal markers are visible on your current symbol. To compare multiple fractals, repeat for other symbols or time frames. Open the next symbol you want to check, or switch the time frame on the same symbol, then add the same fractals indicator again using Indicators, Search Fractals, and add it. Do this as many times as needed so every symbol or time frame you care about has the fractal markers applied. This ensures consistency when you put them side by side. Use Compare or Add symbol on the top toolbar to overlay different instruments' fractals. Click Compare or the Add symbol button, type the ticker you want to overlay, and press Enter. Our TradingView will place the additional instrument onto your current chart so both instruments are visible together. With the overlay active, you can now view the fractal markers while both price series are on the same screen, making it straightforward to compare where swing highs and lows formed relative to each other. If the view feels crowded, that's expected when multiple instruments are on one chart. Focus on where the fractal markers line up or diverge so you can make a clear comparison without changing anything else. At this point, you've opened TradingView, loaded your chart, added the fractals indicator, repeated it for other symbols or time frames, and overlaid additional instruments using Compare or Add symbol to see their fractals together. Your setup for comparing fractals in TradingView is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.